Hello everyone, my name's Chris Hopkinson. I'm a professor in geography, and over the next 3 minutes I'll tell you a little bit about my Introduction to Hydrology course. So make sure to buckle up and let's take off. For this fall, our journey into hydrology will comprise of 2 lectures per week on Monday and Wednesday, with 1 lab on Fridays. We will explore the Earth's terrestrial and atmospheric waters using the hydrological cycle and the water balance equation to guide our journey. There are 8 evaluation components, from labs that introduce energy balance and hydrograph analysis to an exam and in-class presentations. Active participation is encouraged throughout, starting with a field trip to our West Castle field station in the Rockies. In the lectures, labs and in the field, we will learn about some of the instruments and measurement techniques used in hydrology to observe rain, snow and energy inputs to our water balance, as well as how we can measure river runoff outputs. Week by week, we will move from the chemical properties of water and its 3 stable phases of gas, liquid and solid, through to a comprehensive understanding of precipitation, runoff and water storage on the Earth's surface. Building on these fundamentals, we will learn why the discipline of hydrology is critical to our ability to manage water resources to support a safe and functioning society, as well as to mitigate water-based hazards such as floods and drought. So, thanks for watching, and I hope to see some of you in class this fall.